All right, so let's get into a Wix online store. So I've already had my account set up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dive into creating a store. Now, for all of these platforms, I want you to know that I am going to have a separate video that shows in detail for each and every single one of these platforms, the back end and everything that you can do with it. I promise I will make a single video for every single one of the platforms that I actually review because as you can see, there are a lot of different options in the settings of these websites builders. So let's go ahead and get into creating an online store. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit where it says my company name, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a new website. And then what I'm going to do is click on online store. Okay. And let's do shoe stores. I like shoes. All right, so let's go ahead and put together an online shoe store. Um, so I don't have an Instagram for this one, no form. I'll leave the chat function in there. I don't need pricing plans. I don't need anything else like that. There's no online program, so it's just going to be a very simple store. So the last time I think I went with a templated website. This time, okay, so you can either edit a template or let them create it for you. I'll do this again. I'll go on this side. One of my other ones, I'll do something different. So I'm going to call this Pete's Shoes. All right. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go next here. All right. And then, um, so this is good, just for you to put your information for your business logo and your address, your phone number, any social links and stuff like that. So you may want to, well, you probably definitely should put that stuff there. All right. And then I'm going to go with Lush. This actually, yeah, I'm going to, for shoes, I'll go with Lush this time. Okay. I'll choose that theme. All right, so then let's go ahead and take a look at these different types of brands. All right, just a second here. Let's see. Okay. I'll choose this one in the middle here. Okay. It's very simple. There's not too much. And then we're gonna go ahead and choose the pages. So I'll add an about page. Um, sure, an FAQ is fine. Yeah, we're definitely gonna want store policies, contact, um, and then that's about it. So you can start with a blank page too if you want to. Um, Actually, I'm going to get rid of the store policies because I thought that was more like privacy policy, and then terms and conditions. So we're just going to go ahead and bypass that for now. So let's go ahead and let this build itself out. And here is the website. So last time I went on the back end to start, and I'm going to do that this time as well. So I'm going to actually click on this arrow. Okay, just a second. I'm going to go to apps, and I'm going to click on store here. All right, and then here's store products right here. So we're gonna wanna come in here and we're going to want to add store products. So you can see here, there's already some, stuff in here, but let's just say that you had your own products that you wanted to add. So let me just come over here for a second and let me grab a couple of different shoes. So, let's see here. All right, so just a second here. We're gonna go ahead and grab some shoes. All right, we're gonna grab these ones right here. All right, let's see here. There we go. And I'm gonna bring these right here. Oh, hold on. Just a second here. All right, so that's not going to work. I'm just gonna grab a couple pairs of shoes, and then pull them over here. so I can show you how to upload them. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, let's do this here. All right. Let's see here. All right. And then let's go ahead. I'm going to grab flats. All right. So here we go. There we go. We'll go ahead and grab these. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab like 3 different pairs here because I know I've already taken a little bit of time. I'll speed up this part most likely. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and add new product. It's going to be a digital file. Okay, so I'm just going to drag this over here. You can't do it like that. So upload file, image. Okay, now I should be able to drag. I can. And I'm going to go ahead and upload the other 2 as well. Okay. This one's already selected. You can see that it's outlined in blue. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to go ahead and put the name of this product here. And I'm going to put this information here. Okay, and let's see here. Price is going to be $10.88. Okay, so if like you want to put your cost of goods or anything else like that there, you can definitely do that. Okay, and then you can do your inventory, in stock, out of stock. You can do that. You can track your inventory. Okay, so you can do that, and then we're going to go ahead and save this right here, and we're going to add a new product. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a new product. Oh, for some reason that image is not showing up here, so let me replace this image. Add product. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out why that's not actually showing up, but we want to make sure that that's something that we get fixed because we want your customers to be able to obviously see your products. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on this shoe here. Interesting. Okay, I know what's happening. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do this here. I just want you guys to know that this is not like a Wix kind of error or something like that. It's just because I was using a WEBP like file instead of like an actual image. So now when I actually choose an actual image, it'll take a minute, but it'll most likely show itself right there in just a second. So we go like this. Okay, and then let's go ahead and put the price here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and save this here. Interesting. So it doesn't look like those want to show up for me right now, which is very strange. Let me see something here. Replace. Very interesting. So that's something that you have to take a look at. But so we'll just go ahead and add those 2 products for now. And then one thing that I want to do is I want to take a look at the shipping. Okay, so you also want to connect a payment gateway as well. So you're going to want to connect your payment gateway, however it is that you decide to accept payments. You can do it with Wix, PayPal, however you decide to do it, or there's some more payment options. Let's see if they have my favorite, which is Stripe, and they do not. So that's a big bummer, but it is what it is. So I'm going to go back to store. I'm going to go to inventory. I'm going to go to Interesting. So I was hoping that there would be a shipping section in here. Edit SEO, promote this product. So it doesn't look like there's a shipping section in here. Let me just come back over here. So there you go. So inside of settings, one of the things that you may want to, well, that you're going to need to do is come in here and edit your shipping. If you don't want to pay free shipping, or if you don't want your shipping to be free, you need to put the delivery time, and then you also need to put the rate in there, for your orders. Okay. So that's something that you're going to definitely need to do. If there's any tax, you're going to want to add that as well. Okay. Any specific checkout settings? I don't know what exactly that is. Okay, like, so if you want their company name, if you want their address, phone number, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, you would actually update it and change it there. Okay, so then just looking at anything else here. So all of this stuff I would just click through, and I would look at it and adjust it accordingly to your needs. Okay, so let me just, while we're in here, take a look at anything else in the settings. Yeah, you're going to want to do your business info. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and go back home. Okay. And then let's go back to edit this domain name. So I'm going to click on, all right, that's not what we want. So we're back here, and there should be something that says edit. Okay. I'm just not actually seeing it right now. Just a moment here. Okay, so I'll click on this publish website. Maybe that'll bring me back into it. There we go. Okay, fantastic. So in order to make updates on this website, what we're going to want to do is just click on any one of these sections. This will slide out over here, and you can click in here and you can modify this section. Okay. Okay. Back. You can change this image, right? So you can look for something, or you can upload your own image. Okay. Boom. All right, then the next section that we have here, oh, you can also add a button if you wanted to. Okay, you can say start shopping, and you can actually link this to a page and select page, shop, and store. All right, so you could actually do that, or you could just put the web address there, but this is probably the easiest way. So I'll leave that there. And then what we can do is we can come here and all products. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a product here. All right, so I'm not going to do a, so, okay, let's just click on this, and then just shoes. Okay, so I'm going to save that there. All right, so now we have the shoes inside of this collection. Okay, is it automatically going to adjust? Okay, so it has that. And then what I want to do is, if I've only got 2 pairs of shoes, I don't want to show, four pairs. So I'm going to, let's see here. Yeah, I just want to display this collection here. So you can just display your collection on top. I'm not sure why the image isn't showing, and so instead of all products, where it shows all 4, you can just select the ones that you have shown there. So let's say that you have multiple different types, like you have sandals, you have boots, you have tennis shoes. You can create 3 different rows and showcase um, all the brand types of your shoes by their category. Okay, so let's go ahead and scroll down to the About Us section here. All right, so we got the About Us section. All you do is just literally click in there, and you can come over here to the right, and you can change anything. Unfortunately, you can't change anything from this section here. All right, and then this over here, you can change the colors. You can replace the image. Okay, You can do everything by just clicking here. You can even add in video if you want to. So the website stuff is really, really easy. All it is point, click, change. And then let's see, it's saving automatically along the way. Okay. So then what you'll do is we're going to go to shop. All right. So we're here. And then now let's go to shop. All right. So within shop, you would do the same thing. Let's go ahead and just show the only pairs of shoes that we have. And we can let that be the page for the shop, where you can add, some more design to it above by clicking this button. Okay, you can add maybe kind of like a promotion banner or something like that. Let me see. I can't really see it right now. Or you can just add some text, right? Yeah, this is kind of how I wanted to show it. So like you can add like a headline, right? Like shop now or something like that. You can do that. But I'm actually going to click on the three dots here and delete this because I don't want that there. If I were to spend time in this, of course, I'd make it look a lot better, but I just want to show you, how to use this website. So, okay. The next thing here is product page. Okay. So then, okay, so now we have our product actually selected. So you actually have, when they click on the product, they go directly to the product page, which is pretty awesome. All right. So I like that because that reminds me of like a Shopify or something else like that. Or like a Wix or any other page, any other kind of website builder that does that for you. And then you didn't have to actually go create that page. It actually automatically populated it for you. So it's pretty cool. And then we have the cart page. Okay. So this is the cart page. All right. And I'm sure they most likely probably have like an abandoned email sequence or something like that. And then we have the thank you page with your customer's order details or information. So I don't believe, yeah, you can't really change anything. You can say thank you for shopping with us, or you can say thank you for shopping at, with Pete's Shoes. You can change only a couple of things on this page. Okay. About, we can go to about and you can update the about section. You can change the image. FAQ, you got this section where you can make your updates and changes as well. And then you have the contact section where people can contact you, email you, maybe even, emphasize, use the chat widget below. Okay. So essentially that's it. Now, is this my favorite website? No, no, this isn't my favorite website for stores, but will it work? Yeah, it'll definitely work. And Wix is super, super, popular as well, and a lot of people are looking it up. So I do think there are better looking builders as far as the stores are concerned. Um, I just do. But is it easy to use? Yes. Um, can anybody learn this? Absolutely. I know I didn't show an in-depth, tutorial of this. I quite frankly don't believe that it needs one. It's what you see is what you get. And if you have any questions, you can send me a message in the comments or email me at info@bingeworkmedia.com. If you can, just use a Loom video and just kind of tell me what your issue is, and I can take a look at it and I can help you. Right. So let's see here. Is there anything else? Oh, you can change the theme. Okay, from there, from where we had it. Change the colors. You can change the fonts of the entire website. Okay. You can add animations if you want to. And are these by section? Yeah, these are by section here. Okay, so you can add animation. And then you have, okay, these page designs. So this is the about page, and there's different page designs overall for that page. All right, so then there's different apps, right, that you can actually add to your store. Oh no, yeah, to your website. These are all the original apps that we had an option to choose from to begin with. All right, so I'm just trying to think. So once you're done, you can just go ahead and publish the website. And of course, we're going to be using the BingeWork media.wix extension because of course we're not paying for this. It's just a demo, but if you want to purchase it, you would just click the button below that and follow the steps, or you click connect to your domain. So I'm just going to go ahead and click done. And I'm going to go ahead and preview this website. Okay. And there you go. So this is essentially the website. All right. All right. Got to get that image out of there. Obviously, that doesn't look too well there, but um, let's see. Shop. Okay. About. Right. FAQ and contact. Okay. So you have all of this stuff here, right? Super simple, super easy to use, and I think that anybody can do it. If you like a discount for Wix, there is a link in the description. And if you would like help with this, but I believe you can do it, then go ahead and reach out to me. If any questions, drop them in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, take care.